So the folks at JangaFX have just recently announced that their real-time effect tool called VectorayGen is now available for free for literally everyone. So whether you're thinking about using this for commercial or personal projects, you can now use this, as the GPU accelerated tool makes it very easy and possible for artists to create vector fields that they can use to control particle simulation for games, motion graphics, and VFX by simply using a node-based workflow. Created sometime in 2017, VectorayGen was the first tool that the folks at JangaFX actually made before they proceeded to making some interesting tools like EmberGen, LiquidGen, GeoGen, and so on. And it is much more of a specialized tool that can be used to generate vector fields that they can use. And once you're done with this, you can simply export this and use it in Unreal Engine and other real-time effects tools. And you might be wondering what actually inspired the idea for them to do it. Well, they did mention the motive behind this, as this seems to be inspired by Louis Rossmann, as they did recount that some time ago, he did talk about how companies will kill software and remove access to the software, even if the users owns it. And they did cite Adobe cancelling Adobe Animate, and because it's subscription-based, customers will completely lose access next year. And in their opinion, it's pretty similar to killing games, and it's a shitty move. And based off that, they're considering when they get to deprecate a software, they still leave access to creators that already own it or creators that gets to work with it. And they're considering tools like GeoGen, which they now have periodic updates to, which potentially might be killed off soon. And one tool that they've completely killed is VectorayGen. And based off the conversation by Louis, they think it makes sense to make VectorayGen accessible for everyone, even those that already purchased it. Previously, the idea was if you needed the software, you reach out to them, then they give you an exe file, but making it available on their platform makes it easier for people to be able to just grab it and work with it when they need. And one thing they're considering thinking about doing is rip out the license and just simply putting it up on their website, where you'll be able to download this free of charge. Subsequently, if things go according to how they say it will, we might be getting GeoGen from them totally for free as well. What they're considering to replace VectorayGen is ILGen, as they're saying that ILGen will be a true successor and provide a wonderful modern vector field authoring workflow. And for those who would like to grab this and also work with it, if you simply go over to the JangaFX website right now, you'll be able to grab it, as it is now here. So the version that they have is the 2019 version. So remember, we talked about it being available since 2017. So the current version is the one that they released on 1st of January 2019, and that is the version that is still here. So if you need this, you can simply come through and download it and start working with it. And once we fire up VectorayGen, this is basically what we get. You see the 3D viewport right here. You control this by simply holding down Alt with your left mouse button, and Alt with your middle mouse button to simply move things around, Alt with your right mouse button to zoom in and out. Very Maya-centric. So next thing you get here is the particle settings. Within the particle settings is where you get to set your particles, basically. And like we mentioned, that this tool is for anyone that is thinking about creating vector fields that they can use for the particles. Maybe you like to play with the shading effects or the shading offsets. You can do that. You can play with the radius as well. So maybe if you like to increase that radius, we can bring the radius all the way up like so. We can increase that, reduce that. You can play with the lifetime start color and end color. You also have the fade and lifetime. So just in case you like to do that, you can also set that there. You also have the spawn type. So depending on the spawning type that you want for your particles, you can set that as well. On the other hand, we also have like the vector settings as well. We have the bounding box settings as well. And we have the node info. So if you would like to add nodes to this, you can simply go ahead and add nodes. So there's a couple of nodes that you can add here. Now, depending on what you're trying to do, if you like to add a swizzle transform node, you can do that, and you can play with the settings for that. And this is definitely going to be doing something. On the other hand, if you're also thinking about, adding or playing with some presets, they do have some presets which you can simply go ahead and work with. So depending on what you're trying to create, you can do that. They also did provide a few demo files as well. So if you like to use them, possibly would like to drive this based off noise, you can see that. That looks pretty cool. And if we go ahead and just get a new one, and we choose to do maybe like the blood set tightness and stuff like that, this is also something that they have. And you can also go ahead and explore with this. At the same time, if you like to check in with some of their tools, you can also go ahead and take a look at some of the things that they have. So we've talked about EmberGen, we've talked about ILGen on the channel before. LiquidGen is also a nice one that they have, which is really good for creating liquids. We've also made a full video about some of these, including GeoGen, which is a nice tool for making beautiful terrains. Hopefully, JangaFX is also going to be free sometime later. Then we've got the gain texture view as well. And this is also really cool for those who are thinking about, previewing sprites and also altering a few things. You can definitely come through and grab this one. This was last updated in 2022. And if you're thinking about free stuff that you can get, they've also put together some very free embers and also VDBs that you can grab right now. So for those who are thinking about grabbing any of these, possibly like to work with them, then all of these are right here. A huge shout out to the folks at JangaFX for making this one possible and also thinking towards the line of not completely killing softwares, but even if the softwares are no longer being supported, they now choose to put them up for those who like to use them down the line. So this is it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.